Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Personalize based on your inferred identity on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple privacy setting that helps reduce how much the platform personalizes content using inferred information about your identity. If you want a more private experience on X, this is a setting worth checking. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you do not see all of your options right away, click More. This will expand the menu and show additional settings. Next, from the menu, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account privacy and safety controls. Once you are in Settings and Privacy, click Privacy and Safety. This section includes the controls related to your activity, personalization, and account visibility. Now, find and click Inferred Identity. This is the area where X manages personalization based on information it believes is connected to you. Inside Inferred Identity, look for the option called Personalize based on your inferred identity. You will see a toggle next to it. To turn this feature off, simply toggle it off. Once it is switched off, X will stop using inferred identity for personalization in this setting. That's all you need to do. If you want more quick step-by-step guides on X, Twitter, and other apps, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.